Today I'm going to show you how I did this fall glam eyeshadow look. Let's jump right into it. We are using the More 35T Sweetest Tea palette. And we're going to be using Day in the Life, and we're going to go right in on our inner corners with it on both sides. Then we are using Sugar Meat, and we're going to go right in on our eyelids with that on both sides and do it a few times. And then with a blending brush, we're going to go in on the Talking Glitz, and we're going to go over our eyes just like this and bring it out and bring it down and blend it in well. And right there. For our eyeliner, we are using this multi-chrome pigment by Twin Flames. It is in Mystic Fire. We're going to be using this very, very angled brush, and we will do one. This is a multi-chrome, and it looks absolutely gorgeous as a liner. Now to top this off, we're using the Danessa Merrick's Confetti Topper. We're going to go right along here and bring it out. We're going to go in another time. And then the other side. And then I'm going to like kind of hold my eyes like this and let it dry. There it is with the mascara and the lashes. And the final touch we're going to do is using the Twin Flames Multi-Chrome Pigment in shade Angel Heart. And I'm going to do it in like certain little spots, like a little highlighter almost. There we go. And then just... that is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.